Did you know that hobbies on a CV can be a game changer? They reveal your personality and can make you stand out. But when are they most beneficial? Let's dive into why they matter. Align your hobbies with career goals. Focus on skills like leadership, creativity, and teamwork. Avoid irrelevant or controversial activities that might raise eyebrows. Think about hobbies that showcase your strengths. For example, volunteering can highlight leadership, while painting shows creativity. Choose wisely to make an impact. Relevance is key. A hobby like chess might suit a strategic role, while yoga could appeal to wellness industries. Match your hobbies with industry expectations for relevance. Format your hobby section with bullet points for clarity. Position it strategically on your CV to complement your skills and experience. Make it easy to read and impactful. Use concise language to describe your hobbies. Highlight achievements, like leading a community project or winning a chess tournament. This adds depth and interest to your CV. Make sure your hobbies are professional and relevant. Ensure your hobbies don't overshadow key CV sections. They should enhance, not distract. Avoid controversial activities that might create a negative impression. Keep it focused and purposeful. Remember, hobbies are more than just interests. They can be a strategic tool to highlight your strengths. Use them to your advantage and update your CV with CVMaker today. Now it's your turn. Review your CV and add relevant hobbies. Make them work for you and stand out in your job search. Let's get started.